Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'ma unbox and give you my first impressions on the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. That is correct. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing part of the video. This is just me going over the phone and giving you my first impressions. Yes, I have been using it for a few hours now. Yes, that is the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition in Cloud Green. I got it from T-Mobile and they went ahead and sent it out to me, I guess, a little bit earlier. I know the phone comes out on Friday. You can pick it up from Amazon and Best Buy. I think they both have them on sale for $5.99. On T-Mobile, it's $6.99. But if you add a line, they actually give you bill credits for 24 months to get it free. So in this part of the video, I just want to go over the phone, go over the specs really quick, and tell you what I'm enjoying about the phone and what else you can look forward coming up in future videos. Yes, this is correct. I'm working on 3 different phones right now. And yes, you've seen the unboxing of the Poco X3 yesterday. But let's get into this phone here. Look at that back. I love that color. The 3 cameras on the back. Look at that beautiful display from Samsung. And it is a flat display. Look at that, flat. The back is kind of curved though. Does it have some bezels? Yes, look at that single camera cutout at the top. If my camera will focus, there you go. It's got some bezels, but it's definitely a beautiful looking display. You have a 6.5 inch 1080p AMOLED display. Actually has a refresh rate of 120 Hz. It comes with the Snapdragon 865 processor, 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage. It does have SD card slot also. Has a 4500 milliamp hour battery. Running Android 10 straight out the box. Hopefully it will get Android 11 coming up. It does have IP68 water resistance. And it does have wireless charging. And it has the power wireless charging share feature that all the Samsung phones have been having lately. But look at the phone itself. At the bottom, you can see the USB Type-C charging. Also, it has a microphone and a speaker. Then at the top, you have the SIM card slot and also another microphone. No headphone jack here either. On the left-hand side, you have nothing. Then on the right, you do have the power button and then also the volume rockers up and down. It does have a in-display fingerprint scanner, which is actually pretty quick. Look. Not bad at all. Let's check the storage. People love the storage on devices right off the bat. So right now I have 102 gigs, 100 gigs available of storage. So I'm using 27.8. If my camera will focus, there you go. So the storage is not too bad. It does have face unlock, which is probably not the securest thing, but the fingerprint scanner works great, so I don't know if you really need the face unlock on here. The front camera has a 32 megapixel front camera, the Infinity O display there, look at that. On the back, you do have 2 12 megapixel cameras. One is the ultra wide, then the other is the wide angle. Then the last camera on there is an 8 megapixel telephoto lens. Both the front and the rear cameras shoot in 4K at 60 frames per second. That is pretty good, especially for this price point. I wish more OEMs actually did that for the front cameras. So 4K at 60. That's actually pretty cool. Now with other phones coming out at $699, I would definitely compare it to other phones. I might do some camera comparisons to maybe my Pixel 4a, maybe even the Pixel 5 if I get that device. Also, the Poco X3, maybe even my LG devices. I don't know. I'm gonna do some comparisons. I'm gonna do a speaker test probably coming up. What other videos do y'all want to see on this device? Y'all let me know in the comments. Let's get a discussion going. Are you gonna pick up this device? I'll have the links to Amazon if you want to pick it up. It is an affiliate link, so it does help the channel grow. But look at that color. What y'all think about that color? Is it just me, or is that a beautiful color? I think it's a beautiful color. I'm interested to see how this phone does overall. It actually feels pretty good in the hands too. Not bad. It does have 5G on here, so we'll definitely test out the speeds that I get with T-Mobile's 5G, which in my area is not the greatest, but it is what it is. I know they will get better, hopefully. For the few hours I've been using it, I'm really liking it. I love the speed of the device. The display looks quick. Watch this. Let me see if I don't have much on here. Just go to Google. It's just smooth, man. It's really smooth. It doesn't have any type of hiccups. Look at the Lakers. Google events was today. But the display is smooth. I don't see any problems. Samsung, it has everything that the S20 has on here in a cheaper price point. Stay tuned. I will come back with a camera test. Definitely want to test out the cameras on this device. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so. Hit that notification bell so that way you know when I'm dropping the latest video. Also, if you want to become part of Bam Nation, hit that join button. Like I said, memberships or live, I will start doing giveaways in there. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the Bam Nation on Twitter also. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.